Hi, this is a sneak peek video. It's coming up. Stand by. Hi, my name is Rjpasini, and I just want to say welcome to all the new subscribers and welcome to those who hit this channel. I do sneak peek videos, demo videos, intro videos, and I also do the reseller news. The main reason why I do these sneak peek videos is to give you, the potential eBay buyer, heads up as to what's going to be put up on eBay. Sometimes I talk about certain things on within the sneak peek video. I also describe the condition of the item, what it is, and it's what it's all about. So I hope you guys will stand by and check it out. I have a display area set up, and I'm going to go over there briefly. I'm going to show you what I have I'm offering, and also want you guys to keep in mind, for this month, and it's going to be right now for this month only, I'm offering all my listings on eBay, and I'm going to drop the links below. They're all going to have fast and free shipping on there, so take advantage of it. I have been dropping the prices on certain items. Certain items I have to keep at the certain price level because for some reason, if I give too much stuff for free, charge for free shipping, it's not going to be too, like we say, profitable for me, so to speak. So just check that out. And I just again want to say thank you to all the new subscribers that recently subscribed to me. And without further ado, let's get started over there. I'm going to go to the display area. I only have a couple items to show, well, a few items to show you guys, and I want to talk a little about the condition, and then we'll close the video out. And then you could, I'll let you know when the items are going to be available. So I'm going to jump over there to the display area, and I'll catch you there. Bye. Here's what we got going on over here. First, I just want to start off with things closest to us here. I got these here. These are shilling fleece dog winter coats. I got two only. I got a medium and a large. I'm going to try to do the sneak peek video quick, fast. I'm going to try to anyway. This is here. Of course, you can see it says we made in China. These are brand new, folks, and you can see it right over here. It says over here, close up here, it says, I don't know if you can see that. I'm looking at the thing here. It says shilling fleece dog winter coat. Now, I know people might be saying, well, wait a minute. You're talking about a dog coat, winter coat for the dog, and we were in spring already. But listen, let me tell you something. There are little dogs out there that do, I don't know, I guess the short-haired dogs that have the, they get cold right away and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm trying to think what dog it was. We had a little dog at one time, and it was always shivering. And we never really had one of these here because when you let the dog out, you let the dog do its thing, and then it comes back in the house. But it was always out there. It could never stay out too long because it was always cold. Now, if you look over here at these pictures here, keep in mind, though, folks, even though this is another one here. It says large, right? Even though it says large, look at the dogs it's got here. Like, look at the dog they're using here. I don't know what kind of dog it is, what breed it is, but you got to keep that in mind, okay? This here, I seen one in the store open. I don't want to take it out because it's sealed. And the reason why I always say, if those who follow me, once you take an item out, even though I'm showing you live on camera, to me, once it comes out of the package, I know it sounds crazy, and people may say, well, that's a foolish way to think about it, but once you take it out of a package, to me, it becomes now used. That's my rule of thumb. That's the way I think. I know it's crazy. You might say, yeah, but you're doing it live, and you're showing people and stuff. But anyway, it is a nice, like I said, it is nice. It's got like that suede, well, it's got like that, well, this says fleece, but it's got like that glove suede there, the cowhide, whatever you want to call it, feel. Because they had them out there in the store, and, they're nice. They're nice, and they're Velcro, of course. You can see they got the Velcro strip here, so you could just, comfortably adjust it on the door. Again, it says large, but, again, like I said, I don't know what kind of size dog is going to, I don't think this is definitely going to fit German Shepherd, of course. So these are definitely going to be for small dogs, I would think, anyway. And I got a large one and a medium one here. So we got that going on. Okay. Again, I don't have many items here. This is going to be a very brief, hopefully, sneak peek video, but we're going to do it anyway. Here I picked up this Mickey Mouse cup, and it's got all dates on it, as you can see here. It's got 1928, 1937, 38, yeah, 37, 38, 39. And then it's got 41, 45, and then, of course, it's got today. It's got Mickey Mouse. Looks like, yeah, Mickey Mouse and Minnie, right? Yeah. I think, wait, oh, no, it is all Minnie Mouse. I'm sorry, folks. So it looks like it's all Minnie Mouse to me here. Okay? And that's what it is here. Now, and I took pictures of photos, of course. This is the bottom of it. The cup is not in bad condition. If you're a collector of cups, I just want you to I want to point this out to you because, like I said, I am an honest seller and I don't try to mask anything or hide anything. I always tell it like it is because, first off, to try to sell something to a person and not describe it fully in its entirety, it's only going to come back to bite you because when the buyer gets it on the other end, they're going to say, hey, you know what? This guy didn't point this out to me. It's going to be noted in the description as well, folks. Now, in the description, I pointed out I used a pen, of course, an orange pen, with an orange tip, and I pointed out there is a little chip here, a little nick. Okay, you can feel it, and inside it has a little black mark in there. I did that with the pen, and it has a little imperfection. That's when it's been cast or molded. Okay, you can feel in there because you can't wash it out. Like these cups were washed. I was using it with a little light scrubber, and I couldn't get it. I thought there was maybe something in it, but this cup is new, and how I know it's new, there's no coffee stains in it. I know people say, well, it doesn't matter because there's no stains in there, it's not new, but it is new because you would see like scratch marks in there. When people try to clean them out, you could see it's a clean mug, coffee mug. So if you are a collector of the Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse, coffee or memorabilia, you might be interested in this. But just remember, and it has a little thing over here again, but you could see this is probably when it was molded, I guess when they crafted it, there's looks like a little bubble lock in there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. See it there? Oh, that's what we got going on. But anyway, it will be noted in the description. I picked another one up over here, an Elvis cup. This one here is in nice condition from what I see here. No chips on it, but I can see. No scratches or anything of that nature. The inside of the cup, as you can see, is clean. It's got the same photo on both sides. It's got Elvis there, and it says, "Ma'am, I'm not trying to be sexy." So you got that there, nice photo cup there on both sides. Same picture. And over here it's got Elvis Lives. See? Okay. And this is where it is. It says the signature product. Of course, you can see that there. If you're interested in this cup, if you're an Elvis collector or like Elvis memorabilia, you might be interested in this. Okay. I also picked up here Marvel Superhero Mashers. Now, this is brand new. The only thing is the person or whatever, there was something on here, advertisement, whatever it was, they ripped it off here on the box. But the box is still sealed. Okay, you can see it's sealed. The tape was never cut. Normally you would know if it was cut, you would see a little slip mark there. And the same thing here. There's no cut marks here on any of the box. You can see it. This is new. Okay, and they have like interchangeable parts. Of course, like that thing's moving around in there. But and when you press this here, like a little light lights up. See that? You can see that? Oh, you can't see my fingers. I'm sorry. So here it lights up, and I don't know if this one does too. It looks like that could do so. I don't want to break the box though. But this is what we got going on, and I guess that's what it looks like. All right. So if you're interested in that, like I said, this is going to go quick. I don't have much to show you guys. Also, I picked up a Cabbage Patch doll. Okay. Now, this Cabbage Patch doll dates back to 1983. I just want to talk a little about it. It has a certificate in there, okay, and the box is in bad shape, okay. Don't let it fool you. I tried to tape some of the pieces up here, like to keep it from ripping anymore. This is what I tried. This is from me. I did this. Not that I ripped it. I was just trying to keep it from getting more damaged. Like I said, the box is in bad shape. To be honest with you, the Cabbage Patch doll, I did remove the doll. It was kind of like the doll looked like it had dust on it. So what I did was the clothes, the pants on and stuff like that, the shirt, the jacket, and the socks and the shoes were washed in a mild detergent, laundry detergent. And I put it back on. I clothed the doll back up again. Now here's the thing with this doll. I don't know if the doll came with a diaper, but it looks like there's an actual little diaper for a doll on here. Now, if I'm wrong, I'm not a Cabbage Patch expert. So I don't know. I know in the past some dolls would come like with cloth undergarments. This one here, I don't know if they had it and the little undergarment got lost or dirt or destroyed or whatever, and someone put on a diaper. Now, if anybody knows about these type of dolls, if they do come with little diapers on it, that's what it looks like. It looks like it's made for this doll because, I mean, it can't be for a little baby. I mean, it could, but then again, you never know. It fits this doll, and that's, I guess, when I was, washing the clothing, I took it off. I didn't take the diaper off because it would stick at the tape sides on there, and I didn't want to rip it, so I didn't want to damage it. This doll, according to the information I picked up over here, don't know if you can see it here, folks, but it does say from 1983 on here. So this doll is old, okay? I don't know if you can see that, but it says from 1983 on it. And I think even that little label there. The certificate, I'm going to show you that really quick. I'm going to move this here for a second here. Okay, I'm going to take this out. I really don't like to handle it too much because the box is in really bad shape, but I just want to get the certificate out just to show you. Okay, just get this in here without damaging it anymore. Now, this certificate, so you can see it, I even put tape over here to try to keep it in. The box is in bad shape, folks, but if you're a collector of these dolls, like I said, I'm sorry about that. This is not mine. I didn't buy this new, of course. It's pre-owned, and you know, at least you got a regular original Cabbage doll. Here is a certificate. Okay, now they call this Yvonne Sarah. I guess they have all different names on these Cabbage Patch Kid dolls. Here, I know it looks like something. This I think is adhesive. Okay, you could see, as far as I know, I'm not going to open it. This was never opened up. You could see it. Okay, it's still sealed. I'm not gonna try to rip it open or anything either, because like I said, you know, especially if you're a person that's a collector of these things, you want everything in its full entirety. You don't want to have things ripped and destroyed. I didn't do this here. As you can see, they put like, I don't know if it's like a glue in there, and it was supposed to be glued on the box, but you could see it. If I rip it, it's going to rip the envelope. So I'm going to leave it just the way it is. Okay, it's originality. That's the way it came. But this is what we got going on. You got the actual birth certificate there. So this is what we got going on with this. So I'm going to put this back in here. And also, folks, just to keep note of this here, in regards to this doll, the clothes have been washed, of course. Excuse me. And it had on the box. I'm just trying to close this up without damaging it anymore. I mean, this thing is old. On the box, it does have a name on here. Someone wrote it. It must have been a kid's gift or whatever at one point. You can see it right there. It's got a name on there. See, it says Wanda, right? Wanda. Yeah, right there. See? So that's what we got going on. So just keep that in mind. Again, for those who are Cabbage Patch collectors. Okay. So we'll leave that guy over there. And last but not least, I picked up this here. It is a large biker shirt, Sturgis. Okay, it's in pretty nice condition. It's all 100% cotton from what I was reading here. Yes, it's 100% cotton. It's made in Turkey and it's large. Okay, the condition of it is in good condition. Okay, pretty good considering it's pre-owned, of course. Okay, it's a pre-owned thing. That's how it looks. If anybody's into these type of shirts, and it's got the 64th annual Sturgis Biker Week. August 9 to 15, 2004, as you can see there. Nice shirt. This is the way it came, folks. At least as far as I know. I don't think anybody, unless someone cut the sleeves off, but this is, I think this is the way it's crafted, because you could see, and the reason why I say that is because it's the way it's stitched in here. It looks like that's the way it was made. I think that's how they make these things, folks. But, and you got the little logo over here again, Sturgis here, Black Hills Rally, and the buttons all there, no buttons are missing. Okay. All there, and just to show you the label really quick here, the label on here, it says oh, here you can see that, folks. All right, and it's a large. Okay, you can see it's large here, and 100% cotton, made in Turkey, and it's that, and then the back over here just tells you the condition to clean it. Just says wash warm, yeah, wash warm, cold dry, do not bleach, warm iron is needed. This here was steamed. So you know, I have one of those professional steamers, handheld steamers. I don't like to put irons on these things. I do have an iron as well. Not that I'm saying I don't know how to iron, but you know, I don't like to put irons on things like this here. Not that they're going to burn it, but you know, I like to steam, because steaming kind of like, you know, it takes the wrinkles out, pretty much the wrinkles out. I try to go over pretty much over here with the pockets, but I didn't have any luck with that. But this has been steamed. It is clean. You know, it's been cleaned, so it's all ready to wear. So that's what we got going on, folks. I'm going to close this video out, the sneak peek video, and I hope if you are interested in these items, along with all the other items I have listed on eBay, these will as well be listed with fast and free shipping. And again, I have been dropping the prices on these items, so take advantage of it. Okay? I'm going to close this video out, and I'll be right back. I'll be right with you. Thanks. Okay, folks, that concludes the sneak peek video. I hope that helped out in any way. For those who are unfamiliar with me as far as to why I do the sneak peek videos, as I said in my earlier opening statement there with this, it's to give you, the potential eBay buyers, an overview, or I should say a little insight as to what's going to be going up on eBay. And like I said, I like to talk about the condition of the item, of these items. I want to let you know if it's got scratches, dings, dents, or whatever in there. It's to ensure you and make you feel comfortable as to what you're buying from me. And it also gives you the opportunity to meet me, the seller. You know who you're dealing with. So I don't like to stand behind the scenes. I like to meet people. I enjoy comments and I welcome them. Okay, if you got any comments about this video or any of the videos that you watch of mine, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I welcome all. As long as they're not nasty, I have no problem with them. But I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna close this video out. And I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. And for those who do follow me, please like, share, tell other people about what I have to offer. And keep in mind too, folks, like I said again, the items I have listed, not only they're going to be all listed for fast and free shipping, but I also have best offers on them. So these items are going to be listed with the best offers as well. And don't hesitate, please don't hesitate to make a best offer, okay? No offer is foolish, okay? Except unless if it's something ridiculously low, which I had in one of my other videos I was talking about it, where I had something listed for $3.99 with fast and free shipping, and a person came back with an offer for $1, which, needless to say, I declined it. I talked about that in one of my other videos. So please don't make offers like that. But I have been accepting a lot of offers, though, folks. Seriously, and some within reason. If there is something I feel that it's a little too low, I will counter with you. Okay, like a person had made an offer, a counter offer, an offer. I'm trying to think it was. I think it was a pair of jeans. All right, and I'm going to share this with you guys. Okay, and basically, I'm expressing the price I'm asking for. Actually, it's the first time I'm actually doing this here. I have it listed for $19.99. Okay, I think the Rjpasini jeans, I believe, very good condition. And I have, again, fast and free shipping with it. The person made an offer, and they offered the $10, and I countered, and I said to the buyer, potential buyer, I said that the item is in good condition, and I'm looking to get at least $15 for it. So that's where I left it at. Now, I made the offer to the buyer. The buyer never responded to it so far. It doesn't mean it's a yay or a nay. I don't know. But this is the first time I'm actually doing something like this. I normally don't disclose the amount of money I'm looking for on a particular item, because in some cases, if there are people out there and said, oh well, if he's asking for that, I'll just make that offer, But I am sharing with that particular one. As a rule, I don't share things like that, folks, but I don't mind sharing this particular one item. I'm not going to do it all the time, but that's what I was looking for on the Rjpasini jeans. They were going, like I said, we're going for $19.99. The person offered me $10. I counted. I said to them, $15 would be good, because, like I said, and let alone it's with the fast and free shipping. So to be honest with you, that is my cutoff on those. $15 with the fast and free shipping. That's it. I'm not going any lower with that. And like I said again, this is the first time I'm sharing with you guys. I never shared stuff like that, but there's always a first time, right? So anyway, enjoy the weekend. I will say this thing in closing though. I am going to be doing a video about the augmented, what is it? The augmented reality thing, whatever the thing. What they were talking about, the Android phone, where you could use your Android phone to hold an object there, and it'll give you the size boxes. It'll show you the size box it may need, or you could pick out of them. I'm going to do a video on that coming up. But right now, I got to work on this. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. And for those who do watch me, for all the new subscribers, thanks again. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.